This is a tutorial on how to get an Android emulator. Go to f1vm.com. The link will be in the description. When you are on the website, click on Other Versions. When you get to this page, scroll down. When you get to this spot, click on 11x, x32-bit routetransposed and multi-VM. Your download should start immediately. The tutorial on how to transfer this to your Gabb phone will be in the description. This app will give you the ability to access the Play Store and access some Google apps like Hangouts and YouTube that you can't access without the emulator. This is what the emulator looks like. This is the Google Play Store through the emulator. You can add Google Apps only through an emulator. Leave comments or suggestions in the comments. Let me know if you like this voice or my voice for future videos.